knew a guy, I thought he was my first love, but he had to decide between me and the one before, and she stacked it all up like a house of cards, that if he didn't come back, he'd find her flattened on the floor. And though I went and lived in my own hell, thought that I could die as well, I let him go where he thought he had to go. 'Cause I never took heavy words for granted, and I never took the undeserved advantage. No, I never took the easy way, so why don't you take it a little easy on me now? Out on the road, I had so many questions I thought I could explode just for some attention, like an acolyte. I saw the flames of towering tapers, almost proselytized by the gleaming piles of papers. Yeah, I watched the power huddles and their coats draped over puddles, and their trust me, baby, I'm the one you need. But I never took heavy words for granted, and I never took the undeserved advantage. No, I never took the easy way, so why don't you take it a little easy on me now? 'Cause we don't want to be the ones who lie and cheat and slander, so we hold each other up to the highest standards. But I'll tell you what, I never tried to make it hard, 'cause when you're hard, just to be hard, the only thing that's hard is you. So here's what I took. I kept the wine and laughter until every path it just grew up and ever after. Yeah, through the peaks and twisted canyons, I made many great companions. Best of all is the one who loves me like you do. But I never took heavy words for granted, and I never took the undeserved advantage. No, I never took the easy way, so why don't you take it a little easy on me now? 'Cause I never took heavy words for granted, and it's much too late to even want the shortcut. Yeah, I never took the easy way, so why don't you take it a little easy on me now? 'Cause we know that easy's never easy anyhow.